how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar, search for socialclub.rockstargame.com. It will land you on this interface. Once you are in here, tap on your profile at the top right and then click on settings. Well, in this page you can see the Steam account is not included, which means that you won't be able to unlink from this page. In order to do so, what you want to do is once again click on your profile at the top right and then click on help. Move into account support. Once again click on account support. You want to click on social club account. Now once you click on account linking, you will get to see a Rockstar game is linked with Steam account, and you will also get to see the option where you will be able to unlink the account. All you want to do is click on unlink, and then your Rockstar game will be unlinked with the Steam account. So that's it, and this was our tutorial on how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.